Lakshmi. Today we're unboxing a supermarket playset. Look at this boy, he's playing with it. Let's open it. Whoa. Toys, ice cream. Whoa, these are so big. Write down in the comments below what do you think how big this will be. Okay, let's assemble this together. I think it's this way. I do. Okay, I'm gonna do this way. Now I'll show it to you guys. Oh my god, how do you assemble this? Now we just have to put this, and we're done. Let's put all the things. Guys, this is jam or juice. Ice cream. This is strawberry. Guys, write down in the comments what's your favorite ice cream flavor. Mine's vanilla. That's the best thing. Chocolate. I love chocolate. That's my second favorite ice cream. Look, they're real sweet. I think let's put these here because they're expensive. Let's put this here. Chocolate. Let's put this here. What is this? I think this goes here. It's an ice cream. And this, and it goes here, I think. How do we do this? Okay. Look, it's a carrot. A pear. Lemon. Oh my god, it's a little weighing machine. Look, my little sister's here. This is jam. Hey, look at this guy. Give me popcorn. Thanks. Give me all of them. Lollipops. Look, they're so cute. Lolly. Come on. Another lolly. This is fast food. I think they're claws. Ah. Come on. Popcorn, guys. It's popcorn. A little spoon. I think you put this here. Lollipop here. It's a swirly lollipop. Guys, this is a hamburger. This is a sandwich. Let's put these here. Guys, this is a credit card. This is so awesome. And another popcorn. Nothing. So guys, this is the full supermarket playset. Guys, write in the comments if you like it. Okay, let's play with this. How much is it? Oh, it doesn't tell me. You're supposed to put batteries here, but we're not because I want to put batteries later.
Close it.
Do you want ice cream? for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed it, just click the like button and see you guys. Bye!